الله الرحمن الرحيم. قصور عاد. قصور عاد. Qasrun singular, qusur is plural. Means palace, palaces. We can say palaces, palaces of Ad. It means people of Ad. Ad is name of a nation. وكان عاد لا شغل لهم إلا الأكل والشرب واللهو واللعب. وكان عاد and Ad and Ad لا شغل لهم. There was no work, there was nothing lahum for them illa al-aklu. It means we can say and Ad had nothing. We can say lahum means had, and Ad had nothing. La shugula, nothing to do. La shugula, nothing to do. And Ad had nothing to do illa al-aklu, except eating, washurb and drinking, wallahw and having fun, wallaib and playing. وكان بعضهم يفخر على بعض في بناء القصور العالية والبيوت الواسعة. وكان بعضهم and some of them يفخر. فخر يفخر means boast. You know, boast, boast, boast. وكان يفخر بعضهم and some of them kana yafkharu. Kana will come with muzarato, it will be used to. Some of them used to boast ala ba'din, on some. It means on some people. In which thing? Here. Fi bina al qusur, in building the palaces. In building the palaces al aliya, high palaces. Aliya means high. High palaces. Wal buyutil wasiya, and spacious houses. Spacious houses. है ना? Wasiya means spacious. Buyutun plural of bait. It means house. Buyutun houses. وكانت أموالهم تضيع في الماء والطين والحجارة. وكانت أموالهم and their أموال, their wealth, their money, we can say their money تضيع. Their money was lost في الماء, in the water, والطين and the clay. And the clay, you can say mud only. This is Tainun means you can say mud here, because Tainun is not dry land. So their wealth was lodged filmai, in the water, waktini and the mud, wal hijara and the stone, because they are always building. They were building only so many palaces and that things. وكانوا لا يرون مكانا خاليا أو أرضا مرتفعة إلا بنوا عليها قصرا رفيعا. See, وكانوا لا يرون, and they do not see مكانا خاليا, any empty place, أو أرضا مرتفعة, or any أرضا means earth, we can say land, or any lofty land, مرتفعة lofty, إلا بنوا عليها, no, رفيعا also here, no. Any high, we can say أرضا مرتفعة, any high land, yeah, any lofty land, إلا بنوا عليها, but they built on it قصرا رفيعا, high palace. Qasrun means palace. Mahal, we can say mahal, qasrun, palace. Fort also, no, not fort. وكانوا لا يرون مكانا خاليا, they do not see any empty place. It means whenever they see any empty place or any high land, illa, they built on it a high, yeah, a lofty. Qasran means palace. وكانوا يبنون بيوتا كأنما يسكنون فيها دائما ولا يموتون أبدا. وكانوا يبنون, and they were building بيوتا houses كأنما as كأنما يسكنون فيها as they will stay فيها in it دائما always ولا يموتون أبدا and they will never die ولا يموتون and they will not die أبدا never. وكانوا يبنون قصورا من غير حاجتين and they were building, yeah, they built قصورا, قصورا palaces من غير حاجة, من غير حاجة without needs من غير حاجة without needs. حاجة means needs. والناس and the people, yeah, while the people لا يجدون ما يأكلون ويلبسون. While the people لا يجدون, do not find, do not get ما يأكلون, what they can eat, ويلبسون, and what they can wear. So the people do not get the things to eat or the clothes to wear. This is وكان الفقراء منهم لا يجدون بيتا يسكنون فيه. وكان الفقراء and the needy of them منهم of them needy of them لا يجدون بيتا, do not find any house يسكنون فيه where they can live يسكنون فيه in which it means in which house they can live, so where they can live. وبيوت الأغنياء and the houses of the rich people, rich people لا ساكن فيها. Rich people لا ساكن فيها, it means the houses of rich people. It means so many houses for rich people. One people having so many houses, they don't have the people to stay there, but they are having the houses, extra houses. بيوت الأغنياء and the houses of rich people لا ساكن فيها, there was no resident. Sakin means resident, yeah, inhabitant. So there was no inhabitant, yeah, yes, there was no inhabitant in it, fiha in it. So their house was what, only empty, having so many house, not having the people to stay there. Woman ra'ahum, woman and whoever ra'ahum, see them, wara'a usurahum, and see their palaces, arafa, they recognize, yeah, he recognize annahum, that they are la yu'minuna bil akhirah, they are disbeliever. La yu'minuna, that they do not believe bil akhirah in hereafter. This is chapter 4 we have done.